Hi, I'm Troy Waldman with Waldman Engineering Consultants. Today we're going to talk about a class action lawsuit that involves CertainTeed fiber cement siding. If you have CertainTeed fiber cement siding that was installed on your property on or before September 30th of 2013, you could be entitled to a payout. There is currently a class action lawsuit going on with CertainTeed. They settled for $103.9 million in August of 2014, and potential settlement members have 6 years from that period to file a claim. So the end date is August of 2020. Now, if you think you qualify, you should file a claim as soon as possible, because once that $103.9 million pool runs out, no more claims will be filed. Now, you could be a settlement member if you meet these qualifying criteria. If you owned a home or residence on which CertainTeed weatherboards, fiber cement siding, lap siding, vertical siding, shapes, soffit, porch ceiling, and 7/16 inch trim was installed on or before September 30th, 2013. Now, associations qualify as property owners under these criteria. And siding must exhibit qualifying damage: shrinkage between the ends of the boards in excess of 3/16 of an inch, or warping and bowing in excess of ½ inch. Field and edge cracking through the board or delamination are also considered qualifying damage. If the damage is evident on over 5% of any elevation of the structure, CertainTeed will cover the cost to replace the material of the entire elevation. Now, Waldman Engineering has already helped 4 associations file claims under this lawsuit, and every single one of the associations has received a payout. The payouts have ranged from $103,000 to $500,000, and that's only half of what the associations are going to receive, with the second half coming at the end of the settlement period, which is August 2020. So if you think you qualify, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can reach us by phone at 630-922-3000, or you can contact our senior architect, Becky Weber, who's been working on these claims, at beckyw@waldmaneng.com. If you think you qualify, please do reach out to us. We'd be happy to help you, and we don't want you missing out on money that you might be owed.